Our next project is to create the ultimate conversion program, where we want to have a program that users can use to convert between units of time, distance, mass, and if you want to go all out, volume. In the support files area, you've been provided with a poster series which shows some units that you can use for distance, some units you might consider for time. There's also a poster for mass and volume if you want to include that in your program too. Your template file reminds you that you need to create a folder and a repository for this project, and you'll also want to do some planning. There's also a slide with some issues you need to think about. For example, how can you ensure users don't try to convert between units that don't make sense? And how are you going to check that users enter valid units? The other thing that you'll want to consider is how you're going to get user input. A great way to do this is to ask 3 questions: the amount, the unit you have, and the unit that you want. The rest of the template slideshow has slides that you can use if you wish. So there's a slide for your planning, and any time that you see something in a grey box, it means that once you get the instruction, it's safe to delete it. You'll want to recycle your instructions component, and you'll also want to customize a number checker so that you can check users enter the correct amount. At this point, you do need to ask users for units and you decide what you're going to accept. Please write a test plan for this before you go ahead and create the code. Once you've got content from the user, it's time to do some converting. So I've given you a test plan that you could use for distance, and you can do something similar for the other areas where users might want to convert. If you prefer, you're welcome to craft your test plans in Excel and just place screenshots of those test plans into your slideshow. A quick reminder that once you've completed your components and put them together into a working program, you will want to have a test plan that allows you to check that the entire program works as expected. In the next video, I'm going to show you some code that you haven't seen before that will help you create the key parts of your conversion calculator.